Hey, what's up guys? This is Guy and today I'm going to talk about the sound. So this video is for people that are doing YouTube or interviews and you wonder what microphone you should use. I'm going to share my experience with you today and show you what I use for microphones, and we'll compare the quality of the sounds between different microphones that are on, and also we'll give you my favorite microphone for YouTube for your money. The sound is really important for your video. You may have to focus on your images as well, but also some people just forget about the sound. The sound is very important. Right now, listen to what my camera sounds like. So if I use the camera without any microphone, this is how it sounds. I don't know if you'd like to listen to this kind of video, but this sound is bad. That's why you need a microphone in your setup so you can have a good, crispy sound and people can hear you better. For my setup, the first microphone that I use is the Shure SM7B. Some of my videos, you've seen me with the Shure SM7B, which is this huge microphone here. It's really good, really popular right now in podcast or radio or anything broadcasting. That's because it's good. It has a very good sound. And right now I'm speaking into it actually. This is the sound from the Shure SM7B. As I said, very popular and it's very legendary. It was used by Michael Jackson in 1982 for the Thriller album. So this microphone is now being used by a lot of people, and if you have like a music studio or anything like that, you can use this. I can sit down on my desk, use this microphone so that you can have very good sound, a crispy sound, just like you're having it right now. But the problem is this is that first, it's not very affordable. It goes for $400, like $399 on Amazon. And for someone who's starting a YouTube channel and who's in the budget, that is not a very affordable price. So you may have to break the bank for that. So that's why most of the time, if you are a beginner and you are tight in the budget, this is not a recommendation for you. And the second thing is that you don't only need the microphone. Beside the microphone, you need to add some more devices like the cloud lifter to boost the signal, because it's so powerful that the signal is kind of weak. So you need to boost the signal with a cloud lifter. And also you'll need a mixer or any type of sound interface that you have to use to bring your sound into your laptop or any other device that you use to record. So this is not a microphone on the budget because you have to add all those three devices that I just mentioned. And the third thing is that you can bring it with you if you're going out on interviews or if you are filming away from your desk. That will be an issue because it's very heavy, and also you have to keep it close to your mouth like this, because if you are staying far away, like right now, if I move away from the microphone, I lose huge quality of the sound. If you are not on your desk sitting, this is not very appropriate. So that's why I'm going to give you some other choices that I have. The second microphone that I use is the PowerDeWise. This is a very popular microphone. On Amazon, it goes for $22. So people like it. The quality is good. This is the one you're listening right now. This is the PowerDeWise microphone. It's very small. It's very portable. So if you're going out or if you want to do videos in which you are standing up or you are moving a lot, this is the microphone that you should go with. The quality is good. The price is good as well. I used it for one of my videos on which I was talking about setting goals for yourself in my self-development series of videos. So you can watch that here on YouTube on my channel. So this is the second choice. And for the third one, I use the Rode SmartLav Plus. This is my recent microphone that I just purchased. It's good. I really like it. And that is actually the reason why I decided to make this video, because the sound was just so good. $65 right now on Amazon. 3 times the price of the PowerDeWise. But if you compare the sound, you're gonna feel the difference. So right now it's a PowerDeWise talking, and I'm trying to test to tell you to show you how the quality changes. And this is the Rode SmartLav. I don't know, if you don't hear anything, you should probably use your headset or something, because there is definitely a huge difference between the quality of these two microphones. So Rode is very known in this field. They are not new, they're very known, and they do great microphones. Mostly the shotgun that is very popular for cameras. Rode is my recommendation today. You should go with it. You will not be disappointed. I have a fourth microphone. I didn't really mention it a lot because it's not that impressive, but this is a shotgun that I have. It's called Techstar SGC 598. It's also affordable, around $20 on Amazon. I use it when I go out and I don't want to use the camera's microphone, so I use the shotgun. It's not that impressive. You'll probably go with the Rode shotgun, but this one is also not bad, so you can use it. But if you want a full review of this one, just let me know and I'll do it for you. All right, that's it. So I talked about the 4 microphones that I have, and also I gave you my recommendation, which is the Rode SmartLav. If you want to get good quality in your videos, you can see all my devices and all my equipment that I use on gibisuku.com/studio. That's where I put everything for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to get more content on science, technology, self-development, and motivation. And also follow me on social media, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.